And he looked at the horrendous form of the Medusa reflected in his bronze shield, which he carried on his left arm. And whilst a deep sleep overcame the serpents and the Medusa herself, he severed her head from her neck. Thus Ovid relates Perseus's great feat, a Greek hero who confronted the Medusa and came out as the victor. In Florence in the middle of the 16th century, Cosimo I, supreme lord of the city, wanted to be portrayed as Perseus, the hero who defeats chaos and brings peace. The artist who knew how to make this wish concrete was Benvenuto Cellini, celebrated goldsmith of his time, who with this statue deserves to be counted among the great Florentine sculptors. Not only did he create a work of extraordinary aesthetic beauty, but also took the opportunity to experiment new methods of casting bronze. His monumental Perseus has thus become one of the most celebrated statues of the Renaissance and one of the symbols of the Western world. Today, the bronze statue and its base, after more than 4 centuries in existence, are undergoing full-scale restoration of all their parts. Now is the chance to again go through all the stages of a project that continues to fascinate us, as it holds the secret of the balance between the values of mankind and the conquests of technology.